All right, mic check. All right, hey everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Vays. I have to make a quick video because I have to go to the event. Let me make sure that everything is working, and it is. Yeah, I tweeted out last night. So last night, like my internet wasn't working, and right now the hotel internet it's a pretty like fancy hotel here in Istanbul. And I really like Istanbul. I really like Turkey. I've come here like 4 or 5 times. Every time I come here, it's just like the country slowly gets like worse and worse. Couldn't get a taxi yesterday, couldn't get an Uber yesterday. The hotel lost power twice yesterday. The internet barely works. I have to be on my own hotspot. Man, like I have a feeling that most of Europe is gonna be going down, which is why I'm looking at Latin America, because as many times I've been to Panama or Mexico, never had these issues. Anyway, let's go to charts. Monthly chart. The month is coming to an end, and this is going to be a very ugly candle to end the month. Weekly chart. The candle is back to being fully red. I really want to get to the shorter time frames. I like that the CMF is trending up a little bit, but that's not enough. We're going to need more than that. Here is our 4-day allocation chart. This chart went into all cash. We are now down to less than 2 days to go, and we are sitting right at my support line. This actually does not look good at all, but the worst part about it is the daily chart. We talked about these oscillators yesterday, but look at this. I am so tempted to stick a short label on this chart. I'm almost tempted to do it. I don't know if I'll do a video tonight, but it's so tempting. This looks like it's ready to go down, and it's ready to go down soon and fast. It's kind of crazy to short at this point in time after we've been down for so long and for so much. I tried doing this once in the past because I don't believe in double bottoms. And when this short failed, it was my only short attempt for this entire bear market because I remained overly bullish. I don't even know why, but the only other time, it should have been shorted back here as well at the same possible price. Now we're sitting at a much lower price, but it's such an ugly looking pattern that I just don't see much bullishness at this point in time. There could have been off of this bounce, but it's no longer looking like the case. So let me think about it while I'm still doing this video, whether it's worthy of a short. You probably should wait until 28.7 is lost, but we're at 28.9. It's not that much of a difference. Here's another look on the hourly chart. We've already broken the MRI support line. We did rally off of this monster candle yesterday, grossly helped by the S&P 500 and also the Ethereum drop against Bitcoin. GBTC just needs to rally to evaporate premium. Oil, I am very, very bullish on. Gold, I am kind of neutral on, but slightly leaning bullish still. It held the support line. Here is the correlation between the stock market and Bitcoin going into Friday. We are going into the weekend, guys. And I need to get rid of this. You can see how the stock market is not really rising. It's an overnight trading, and Bitcoin is starting to drop. The crazy thing, however, is Ethereum took a huge fall yesterday. I don't really know why. I mean, it doesn't really need a reason. Ethereum's been very bullish against Bitcoin, and eventually that's going to end. Eventually, Ethereum is going to go and break the ultimate support, right? Because fundamentally, Ethereum just can't compete with Bitcoin. So eventually every single token will lose ground against Bitcoin in the long term. But everything on the shitcoin side is down against Bitcoin. Oh, looks like Luna's been delisted. About 2 years too late, but been delisted. I mean, Litecoin is making new lows. Oh, I'm on my hotspot, so the charts don't seem to be changing. Well, I can't really look at shitcoins right now anymore. So let's say I'm gonna do this. Because I don't know when the next video is, because I may be out late today, I'm gonna stick right here. %10 bearish. This could eventually become like 80% bearish, right? It depends on how we're moving, how fast we're moving down. But I just really don't like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. I know it sounds crazy to potentially short Bitcoin on its 9th week of red candles, but I just don't see how it can avoid going all the way down on the week. I just don't see it. I just don't see it. It's done it here. It did it here. This was also crazy, by the way. This was probably one of my best trades because I was 90% confident this is going to happen. It did it back here. And then it held the average for a while. So it's tough. It's a tough pill to swallow that we're likely to go all the way down to 22. But that's what the charts are telling me, whether I like it or not. All right, that is it for me. Join us at the Financial Summit in the Dominican Republic, August 1st to 6th, where we get together an amazing group of traders, investors, and other financial professionals. Check out our YouTube channel for some of the videos. We have the promo video and a couple of testimonial videos from our 2 prior events, and this is going to be the 3rd. To support my work, check out Vays.com, products and services, on-demand videos, and the MRI indicator itself. Chart's still not loading, but it's all right. We'll take a look at it next time. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you all on the next one. But yeah, even what I was gonna say on Ethereum was that even with all shitcoins dropping against Bitcoin, Bitcoin still can't get any real movement to the upside. And just like yesterday with the correlation to S&P 500, S&P needed a 2% update to like save Bitcoin from a disaster. And Ethereum crashed against Bitcoin. And Bitcoin still can't muster any bullish momentum. And all that together is making me very, very concerned for the near-term price of it. All right. This doesn't affect hodlers, but it does affect traders. Talk to you all on the next.